Yeah, sanibonani, good morning, Jumelang, igama uzandi sibongo mfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kaluwelwa lwela zinkonjane zona zodwa ezihambela le kude phezulu. Umbuzo nawo umile. Lo hulumeni wenu nimthandayo namvotela namkhetha kwabaningi nambiza ngentando yeningi waseke eyaziguqula yena wazibiza nge-Government of National Unity. Hayi abalali beParliament ba busy these days. Bayeke ngisho ukulala during parliamentary sessions. They are working overtime for you. Kodwa ke umbuzo ukuthi are they really working overtime for you? Would you be happy to support your siblings financially just because wena ungcono kunabo? That's the question.
Hello, sanibonani, Jumelang, igama uzandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwela zinkonjane zona ezihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Uma kuwukuthi uyaxakeka ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, yes, I am on the road and I'm stuck in traffic. Iziningi izinto ezenzeka eThekwini namhlanje, sivuka nge-cash in transit. Bashaya imoto yemali balimaza onogada bayi-2 ngapha. Sebeyabaleka ku-N2 babalekela ngapha ku-M4 kubhizi nje, kodwa ke angikho lapho. Into engikuyona ngisekutheni usuzwile yini ukuthi uhulumeni wakho omthandayo has woken up this morning with great news ukuthi uma kuwukuthi wena ekhaya kini no-15 abazali benu banishiya or whatsoever, kodwa kubalekile ukuthi wena empilweni ungcono, watabalaza wazabalaza wazama kwaze kwangcono, kwaze kwalunga nangakuwena to a point whereby wena ubuke kungcono kunabo, ngoba uyakwazi ukuvuka uyoqhukuluza uyobamba lapha eClicks usiphekhela impahla usishayela ithile, uyakwazi ukuvuka uye efemini noma ngabe ubuye ushawa ama-short time efemini kaSaudi ulale uyingcuba, kodwa kusalayo you've got an income, you are far better than them. Now uhulumeni makalala avuka ecabange ebona ukuthi kambe ngingabenzelana abantu bami base-South Africa engibathandayo ukubakhipha endlaleni, njengoba isimo somnotho sikaRamaphosa sihuhuluza ngesisu phansi. Yini enhle engingabenzela yona laba abahomini nalaba abagudla iy'tolo zamazayizayi laphaya bebhema into esingayazi, nalaba abagcwala emadolobheni esibabiza ngama-paras. Yini esingabenzela yona ukuze senze isimo sibe ngcono? Wavele wathi nje uhulumeni, boom, aha, I got them. Uyabona laba abangamaphara, laba abangomini abangasebenzi, laba abangathathe entweni abangenalutho, akuvele kuthi uma kuwukuthi phakathi kwabo bezelwe bewu-15 noma bewu-3 noma bewu-2 noma bewu-5, akuthi lo ongcono kube uyena onakekela laba abangathathi entweni, kube uyena onakekela laba abahlala emgoqweni, kube uyena onakekela laba abajika nelanga nje abangafuni ngisho ukuzama. Kanjani-ke kuthiwa-ke there is a new law that has been passed which allows our siblings that are unemployed and struggling financially ukuthi akwazi ukuclaima i-support same way you would claim i-child support kubaba womntwana. Hey, hayi kumnandi South Africa, kumnandi South Africa. Awungitshela wena ungamondla yini umini wakini i-2K lakini elikhathazile, elingafuni kuzama, elingafuni kuvuka, elingafuni lutho, ubasabathe lethi CV sengikukhulumele lapha uzofika ukhulume nobani uthola itoho livele litshele nje ukuthi mina ngeke ngusebenzela 1.5. Ungamondla yini lo muntu uma ke kufaka i-child support? Would you be excited to maintain lo muntu ngaphela? That's what the law is saying, ukuthi they can claim i-maintenance the same way owazi uclaima ngayo i-maintenance kuma wengane or baba wengane. Now siblings have that right ukuthi bahambe bayofaka isondlo enkantolo. Hayi uhulumeni wethu uyasilethela izinkinga ezingenasidingo, ngoba imagine vele lo muntu ukade wawumvusa noma uthi akavuke akafuni ukuvuka noma uyothi nje akahamba yokwenza noma ikhozi yokuba ukhesha noma e-security, ilo muntu ongafuni lutho, loyo muntu usezobuya aphinda avuke yini mengabe esazi ukuthi unendlela yokufideka yena even though engavuki? Usazobuya aphinda avuke yini? Hayi ngiyazibuzela nje, is that person ever gonna do something nge-life yakhe or uzodependa kuwena? Hayi guys, uyabona ngisafuna ukuyi-scrutinize kahle le, and umbuzo wami ngifuna uku-understanda ekutheni manje ama-siblings asezosupporta each other. Umsupporta lo muntu kuze kube yini? Kuze kube nini lo muntu umsupporta and umsupporta nje mingakanani? Lento lo mtheshwana wababa uphasisile uqala at what age uphela at what age, because even ngisho child support has got ikhona la hamba bikhathe khona awukwazi ukusupport umuntu over 21 because presumably by law umuntu over 21 akasafunda isikole. So le ama sibling isebenza kanjani ke, ngoba hayi yabona le nkinga ayilethile uhulumeni, ulethe enye impi. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle uhulumeni wethu usithanda amasilwa simndeni, usithanda amasixabana simndeni, ngoba lento le izoqhatha imindeni eminingi. Kusho ukuthi phela manje amaphara asezophela, ngoba amaphara azodla ucheese. Iphara liyakwazi ukuhamba kuyoklema kuma-siblings, ne-maintenance, ne-para-maintenance manje uhulumeni ayi-approvile eParliament. And umbuzo omkhulukazi enginawo kunawo wonke, umhulumeni before azophasa imithetho kune-procedure elandelwayo, kulethwe i-public comments and everything. Le mithetho uhulumeni aloke eyiphasisa nga-one sivele sizwe boom, usuzwe eradiyweni ekuseni, boom, usubona kuma-news headlines. Isigaxa esingakaya ekuthi uhulumeni usiphasisile or whatsoever. Le mithetho ke uhulumeni amane loke eyiphasisa nga-one isithusa nini besithathuswe yokuthi amadoda asezoba, mina sengavele ngishade nje manje ngihambe ngiyoshada ngithi hayi-ke wena-ke sozoba uMr Mfeka, ngithi nini besisababa le. Manje uhulumeni le mithetho yakhe ayiphasisayo ngempela uyixoxa nobani thina singekho involved, sivele siqhamuke sesizwa nje ngesigqebhe isendaba engaka sekuthiwa into iphasisiwe. Uyikhuluma nobani le? Ayibo saze sashe South Africa, saze sasha. Ama-conflict emindeni azovela because of this child support, ngoba kunemindeni enomuntu oyedwa owenza kangcono empilweni, impilo yakhe ebhetha. Kusho ukuthi mangabe kunenye i-3 that is struggling, yonke le 3 has got a right ukuthi ihambe iyofaka i-sibling support kulo o-right empilweni. Bathi uthini uhulumeni? Angiyeke umndeni wami mina, ngiyeke ukusupport ifamily yami, ngisupport ama-siblings wakithi amadala ahlulwe impilo angafuni nokuzama. Ngoba phela siyazi ukuthi abaningi bawo abafuni nokuzama. It's a fact. A lot of them abafuni ukuzama. Bayachwenza, bayaqhenya, bayakhetha, bafuna ukuyosebenza endaweni ezingabafanele bangaqualify kuzona, bafuna ukufana nalabo abangcono kodwa bona bebe bengenalutho. Anga-understand ukuthi umuntu lento iyasetshenzwa la, you start from the bottom before you become better. Yo, sondelana sikhuluma. Comment section, ayivuthi comment section, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena nje ungakhona nje uzovuma ukusupport iphara lakini engasalifuni ngisho lingene ngisho endlini ngoba lihlule. Ngoba malingena kufanele nibambe izikhwama nizimince emathangeni, ngoba phela naku usengenile uzibanibani, and hayi ukuthi akalinikwanga ithuba uzibanibani. Abazali benu banika amathuba afanayo, just that ukuthi yena wabona ukhetha impilo elula for yena. Now le mpilo elula for yena yamphendula lento ayiyona, sekufanele nife nina nifele ukuthi yena wakhethana empilweni. Yo, hayi guys, I value le country. Ayawosikhumba kade ayisho ayivalwe le country ngoba I don't know. I honestly don't know. Uhulumeni osiphethe nje keep on failing us time and time again. Shame. Asihlangane kuma comments guys.